The Magic Wand Tool. Step 1. From the Tools bar menu, select the Magic Wand tool. Step 2. From the Options menu, change the selection mode to Add to Selection. Step 3. Click randomly around what you want to select to make a selection. The Magic Wand tool might not be the best tool to use when you are selecting an object with different shades of colors. However, it is very useful when there is a single color. Step 4. Make a copy or create a new layer from your selection. Step 5. Drag your selection to your desired location.